Before you can track maintenance events, you'll need to enter the hours for each aircraft in the fleet. From the Aircraft Records menu, select Aircraft Hours History List and click the green New button. Select the aircraft, the start date, the Hobbs time, and the airframe hours, not including any hours flown on that date, and save. Hobbs is used to determine the offset for calculating the airframe total time on the EFB. Note, if Hobbs hasn't been entered yet, the EFB will use the latest Hobbs that was uploaded. After initial setup, the system will automatically track hours, benchmarking off of this initial airframe total time. In the rare event that a discrepancy between flight span and the aircraft's hour meter occurs, you may use the same procedure to record a new airframe total time. Caution: use care to enter the correct airframe total time. Deleting an entry is not possible if there's any flight time after the effective date, and editing airframe time is not permitted in order to provide an accurate record of the airframe total time history. For accurate weight and balance calculations, each aircraft's weight must be entered. From the Aircraft Records menu, select Aircraft Weighing Results List and click the green New button. Select the aircraft and enter the date the aircraft was weighed, the basic operating weight, the basic empty weight plus all the normally installed aircraft equipment, and CG. For helicopters, note the lateral CG. Important: for flight span, the basic operating weight entry must include all seats. Confirm that the configuration displayed is the same as when the aircraft was weighed. If the configuration is not correct, click the Edit button and drag seats into the aircraft and add or remove cargo pods and auxiliary tanks as required. Again, flight span BOWs need to include all seats. Note that you can add shortcuts to your home page for aircraft hours history, aircraft maintenance events, and aircraft weighing results.